people. We're just doing crafts with the fam.
No, I'm gonna hold it.
Oh yeah, you film. No, you film that way. No, not that.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi guys.
The other way.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Show the Neanderthals. Show the Neanderthals. Okay. No, don't. Here's a mermaid.
We're painting Little Mermaid.
I'm painting
I love it.
dinosaurs.
We're painting dinosaurs. Poor Winston has to use his left hand.
It's
Kind of hard. I broke my right hand when I was a little older than Winston. I was like 14 and it was terrible. So I can't imagine. You're doing a great job though.
I am good too.
And Gager's working on another dinosaur over there. Very cool. Bray Bray
Look.
is sad. She's gonna do hers later. I've been working on these rainbows. I did these 3 that are the same last night, and then I just did this one.
Look.
They're so fun.
Look, guys.
Wow. Are you gonna put that in your room?
Yep.
Nice.
And we're gonna put it in my room.
Yeah.
If I want to.
Yep. If you want to. Wow, that is beautiful.
Guys, look.
Hey, Winston, could you please not hurt yourself any further?
I've a broken nose.
I know you do.
Doesn't happen.
That's enough. Nice, Gager. Let's see it.
I don't know what to color the
Cute.
toenails.
I like it.
What color should I do the toenails?
Well, didn't you do them like that other green? Do them like that lime green.
Okay.
I like that. I see Bray Bray. Almost done. Here's Winston's. Winston and I worked on this together. He did a pretty dang good job with his left hand. I want to show them your the mermaid that you colored outside for Layla. That was good. Okay, we'll go look. Cute. Let's see. Oh, wow. Let's get a closer look at Gager's over here. Nice.
I like the red. It looks so cool.
Yeah, it does. I like it too.
Wait, hold up. I need to turn it on.
Oh, yes.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Let's show you a picture of the little moon.
Isn't that good? I was like, what? You did that with your left hand? Nice. And you did it for Layla. The best. Yay. It's a beautiful day today. This week is supposed to be really warm, which is awesome because it's Gage's birthday week. And it's also Easter, so hopefully it will be a beautiful warm day on Easter. We have had a lot of Easters that have been snowy. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to Gage.
Happy birthday to Gage.
Happy birthday to Gager. You want a haircut for your birthday? I'll give you. I know someone who could do that for you. This is from Winston.
Remember when I lost your other one? Yep. And the one. You saved it. Game for and $1. Yep.
Wow, that was thoughtful.
And a piece of paper. What does it say? Gage wants.
Did you do that with your left hand?
Good job, that's pretty good for left hand.
Nice there, Winston.
Oh, it's really nice.
Come here, buddy.
Turkey, honey?
What does it say?
Happy birthday, Gage. We're going hunting.
Look at these two. You're hilarious. I didn't know they were out here. I mean, I knew that they were playing, but then I peeked out here and they were just lounging, eating some chips. Nice. I like it.
Put the sticky tape on the back.
Good.
Money. Bunny,
Mustache?
We just picked up Gager's cake from Cold Stone. He wanted a lava cake, but guess what's not open? Chili's. Chili's open where you guys live? I thought that they would still like do takeout or like these guys do curbside, but they weren't open at all, which is really scary because I love Chili's and I hope it doesn't stay. It doesn't stay. Whatever, I can't talk.
So strong.
Here.
Did
you get some?
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
I got none.
Anyways.
Hi.
We were gonna have a little camp out. We thought that would be fun to surprise Gage with a camp out, but it has been so windy today that we set up chairs and like a little fire pit and it blew them over. It blew them across the whole yard. Our swings fell over. Yeah, I was worried that our Trump was going to.
My luck got blown away into the neighbor's yard.
So the camping thing is not happening, but we could still put sleeping bags either like
Downstairs in the basement.
Oh yeah, we could do downstairs in the basement and like have a camp out.
Oh, that's what
you want to or
I
no?
can charge my phone.
Or do you want to still try to sleep in the jumping jack?
No.
It would be so cold.
Heck no.
You guys can sleep downstairs. I'm gonna be sleeping in the jumping jack. I love the jumping jack.
Oh, the sun sanitizer is making me cough.
You can taste it.
Happy birthday, Gage.
Thank you.
Are you having a good day?
No, it
Such
doesn't
a good
deserve it.
Yeah. I have 2 more presents for you to open.
Can I open them when I get home?
No.
I've been giving him presents sporadically throughout the day. Okay, anyways. Oh my. Just don't film me.
My calendar does FaceTime Gage because he can't hang out with anybody. Sucky, but at least you have FaceTime.
She's FaceTiming now. Hi. He's downstairs. When you were FaceTiming, Markel had just barely FaceTimed. So funny, huh? I had just barely answered. And hi. And then you FaceTimed. I was like, oh my gosh. Okay, I'll have Bray Bray take the phone down. I'm bringing the campfire, Gage. I hope you're ready. Can you open that? Oh, you have your hand.
I'm so ready.
Burn me, really? Rayla?
Wait, this one first. Okay. What is that?
I brought the fire for the camp party.
Fun.
Casey brought the crab. He bought a whole crab. What do you think, buddy? Do you like them?
Yes.
Yeah?
Rosie.
Happy birthday! Did you have a good day?
Yeah, it was really good.
Good. You know what's really great is that tomorrow's Easter, so
Yeah, that was really cool.
yeah, this is exactly how it was on Gage's first birthday. Easter was the day after his first birthday.
Was it on? Oh, so my first birthday was on Saturday.
Yeah. We're gonna go to bed so the Easter bunny can come. I love you so much. Happy birthday. 12 years old. Sorry, this is a little dirty. Anyways, let us know if you have been watching this guy since he was 3 years old. That's when we started YouTube, when Gage was 3.
I was
And now he's
reading
12.
some of their comments on Instagram, and I saw some people say I was watching him since he was an itty bitty.
Yeah, that's cute. Thank you to everyone for their birthday wishes.
I love you guys.
Gage loved reading them. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. We have the cutest neighbor who came over and egged us. Look at all of these eggs. Oh my gosh. You guys each get 10.
Awesome.
How nice is that? Okay, make sure you count them. That's so nice.
Here.
Winston doesn't need clothes. I said go put some clothes on. Nice hustle, sister. Are you counting them, Gager?